This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf Suite 3910 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features a Coasta Cedar interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.